I'm very glad to inform to all the concerned, particularly the students community, that the Bodoland University is going to organize the first convocation from its inception after 10 years on March 3rd, 2020 from 11:30 a.m. in the morning. In this convocation, we shall be providing, issuing and conferring the degrees including PhD, MPhil, Masters, Undergraduate, B.Ed, original certificates by His Excellency the Governor of Assam, who is also the Chancellor of the Bodoland Universities. The original certificate that will be issued in these convocations will have all the security features, including the chips, and a mobile app has been developed to read the chips to verify the genuineness of the certificate issued by the Bodoland Universities. The chief guest of the convocation will be Professor K.K. Agarwal, who is presently the chairman of the National Board of Accreditations. We have invited especially to get suggestion and advice from him for applying for the NAAC accreditations. As all of you are aware that Bodoland University has been granted the 12B status by the University Grant Commission in October 2019. Now we have to process for the NAAC accreditations so that the Bodoland University gets all the benefits from the University Grant Commissions in terms of the positions and in terms of the infrastructure development. So Professor Agarwal is expected to provide good guidance for the Bodoland University to enable to apply for the NAAC accreditations. And Professor K.K. Agarwal is an eminent educationist. He was the founder Vice Chancellor of the Indraprastha University in Delhi. And Professor Agarwal has also been involved in the confidential work of the government of Assam, particularly related to the appointment of the university officers and key positions, including the vice chancellors. We expect the presence of the eminent educationist Professor K.K. Agarwal to facilitate the further growth and development of the universities. In 95 students who have completed various courses from the universities. So far 1,391 have completed their master's degrees in arts, and 497 have completed master degrees in science, and 45 have completed the MBA course, and 24 has completed the master in computer applications, and 51 has completed the master in commerce. And so far 2 batches of the undergraduate batch have completed their courses successfully, and we shall be awarding to 261 students who have completed BA in arts, and 97 students who completed BSc, and 661 will be awarded the B.Ed degree, and 42 candidates will be awarded the M.Ed degree. I am also very happy to inform that so far the Bodoland University have guided 52 PhD students and 16 MPhil students successfully, and they shall also be getting their MPhil and PhD degrees in these convocations. With these first convocations, the university shall be organizing the convocations regularly after a gap of 2 years, that is every 2 years, so that we don't have a back